Hello guys, thanks for jumping back into my channel. This is MindYourCrypto, my name is Bill, and today we are going to make a technical analysis and the price prediction for VECHAIN. This is an update, and if you like the content, please hit the like button, subscribe, hit the bell button and share. Thank you so much already for the support, I mean it, and it gives me the courage to continue. Thank you a lot guys again. And let's continue quickly to our technical analysis, starting with the MACD. As you can see here guys, the MACD and the Fibonacci retracement. Right now I will zoom in a bit so you can see that the MACD, the blue line, is above the signal line. Okay, and that's why we had these huge bullish candles here. We had this cross here when we had this bullish candle, and then it remained here up to the Fibonacci level, up to the 0.36, 23.6%, and to the gray zone here, to the gray line and to the red line. And I think guys it will move sideways till we reach new top, but we will see about that. Right now the MACD stays like this. They might move sideways a bit, or the blue line might go a bit downwards the signal line, but that's just okay guys, because the same happened here. As you can see guys, the blue line was beyond the signal line and we had this sideways situation. We didn't have any bearish situation at all. We just had a nice sideways situation, correcting from here a bit, going sideways, then reaching the new tops, and I think they will do the same, then going in again up. But we will see about that. I will update you guys always, and let's see what the MACD and the signal line will do. But right now I think that the signal line might go above the MACD, because we will have a kind of sideways situation until we go up here. Right now guys, this area here is a good buying, I think, in my opinion, of course, not a financial advice guys, but this is a good buying area here. But we will see about that. Let's go to the RSI and the CCI. Right now the CCI was way above the 100, as well as the RSI was little above the 70, as you can see here at 6th April, and now yesterday of course. And right now we are seeing CCI moving downwards as long as the RSI. This means I think we will go like that for the next few days, going a bit sideways of course, and we will see about the next coming. But this right here, I want you to show you that as long as we move to the top, we have even smaller corrections. From here to here 44%, from here to here 24%, from here to the bottom, the potential bottom, or here guys, minus 19%. Okay, so we have, as we're getting close to the top, less and less corrections. And of course we will see about that. Right now we don't have any, we have like any, okay, a minor oversold situation according to the CCI, but the RSI is okay here. And even if we see dropping more, even if we see the CCI guys dropping more, dropping like this more and going back here, it's not a problem. Okay, it's not a problem. We might see it going like this, but of course I think the price will go sideways. We are hitting new higher highs for VECHAIN, new higher highs, new higher lows. That's absolutely perfect guys, and of course it has a very healthy pump up compared to other altcoins. VECHAIN has a very healthy pump up with its corrections alongside with its consolidations, and of course new higher highs, new higher lows, the Bollinger bands now. And the reason I think we will stay a bit inside here, retesting this level, this resistance level, making it our new support here, our new support line here, is the reason that the Bollinger band top, you can see here, the Bollinger band top line, as you can see, is below the price right now. So we need to maintain in these Bollinger bands, and we will go move sideways, and the top line will go like this, and we will move a bit sideways till it goes inside the Bollinger bands again. We saw it here, right? Look at this guys, we saw it here till the top line reached and became a resistance level here, and we then moved sideways the Bollinger bands. You can see it here as well, you can see it here, we reached inside, you can see it here as well. So in my opinion, I think we will move a bit sideways till we see this upward coming again for VECHAIN. You can see the squeeze point where we wanted to buy, and now we have a nice volatility. I like very much about VECHAIN that it has a very healthy pump up for me, guys. It has a very healthy pump up. It is not like a FOMO pump up that switches from just a few hours in or 3 days like 4x or 3x. Okay, it has a very good solid pump up with its corrections alongside and making new higher highs and new higher lows as well. So let's go now to VECHAIN against Bitcoin in the daily frame first, and I want to show you something in the daily frame. Of course, we are very good here. Look at this 50-day, 20-day and 30-day EMA reaching the price, but the 20-day EMA, look how smoothly it is going upwards, and it is making our new support levels when we have the consolidation right here. You can see it, guys, 2 times, making new higher highs, new higher lows again for the VECHAIN against Bitcoin. And what I want to see, I will show you in the next diagram, of course, on the weekly frame. But what I want you to see here is why we had this huge sell pressure, because of this resistance line that I drew when I made the update for VECHAIN. Because of this resistance line almost again, and we reached and we maintain this sideways area till we see a huge potential growth, because we are not even close to the top, guys, and VECHAIN can have a more of a pump up. But right now, let's go to the 4-hour frame. I wanted to start with this, but I want to show you guys firstly the daily frame. So right now, guys, what we saw is I connected here when I made this update. We had new higher highs, new higher lows, sorry guys, and lower highs here for the consolidation. When we had the consolidation, the moving sideways pattern, and then we had this squeeze point. You can see how much the cross candles, look at here, how small these candles are. We had this squeeze point here till we saw the price pumping up again, and of course going like this. Okay, so right now we had all this coming upwards till we go back again, making a bit sideways, then reaching the top again, of course. And you can see here how good this scenario is. The 50-day EMA is still below 30-day and 20-day EMA. 20-day EMA is reaching the price, okay, and is making the support. Maybe here when we have the consolidation, maybe we will see the 20-day EMA playing the resistance line, but it's all good, guys. Don't worry about this as well. We had this major resistance here. We break through. Now we had this one. It is a little bit above. I know, guys, it's a little bit above, but okay, you can see the point, you can get the point. This was a previously resistance line that I made when I made the previous update about VECHAIN. Right now, for the weekly frame, guys, this is why I talked about we are not even in the top yet. You can see here what I liked is this cross, is the 50-day EMA going under the 30-day and the 20-day EMA. I loved this cross and I want it to stay like this, and I think we have huge potential. Look at this, guys, we are not even close to the top. If I had to take here a price and drop it like that, we can get, of course, 40% action upwards. We can get more, or even reaching the top, and then we will have a huge resistance. But we need to see about that. This is a macro perspective for VECHAIN, and I don't want to talk about the exact price that it might reach, but I want to say to you guys my main point here, my main goal I want you to focus in is we can develop and we have huge growth according to historic data. According to historical data, we can pump up more and we have more percentage to grow. Okay, so now right here, that's what we did. We went back down here and retesting, making some double tops on the weekly frame. This is looking good, guys. This is very good, and I want to see what VET can do. So right now, guys, let's go to the price analysis and the VECHAIN against USD in the 4-hour frame. You can see what I was talking about: 44%, 25%, 20%. As we reach the top, we get smaller corrections, of course, smaller consolidations, and now I am expecting the VECHAIN to go sideways for a bit, then pumping up again, maybe hitting new highs. Okay, so the main thing here is that we are seeing new higher highs, new higher lows with a pretty healthy corrections, because we don't see a very huge pump up, a very FOMO pump up for the VECHAIN. We are seeing some very healthy pump up for this coin, and we are seeing some very healthy corrections here, and I think that we might as well have this as our new support line, have this here, guys, here as our new support line, maintaining this support line and then going up to the top here again. So I'm expecting right now for this VECHAIN, this price movement, and I think here this point as well is a good opportunity to buy, in my opinion. Not a financial advice, but this is my opinion, of course. Right now this looks good. If it has something like it, if it falls down, I will update as soon as it does, but I don't think that's the case, guys. I don't think it will go beyond this level. I think it will move sideways, then going upwards. It is looking like this. It is having a very healthy pump up. Let's see VECHAIN against Ethereum. Right now, guys, we had this as a resistance level for the daily frame. As you can see here, this is our major resistance level. That's why we went beyond here. And I didn't know if the VECHAIN will do something like this, will fall down to the support level or remain to this support level. It actually remained. That's pretty good. We might as well move along this and this, guys. We might as well move a bit sideways till we see a further pump up. Okay, we might as well move like this, okay, and then we might see a pump up, but we will see about that for VECHAIN against Ethereum. Right now, I don't think this is a good scenario to exchange your VECHAIN for Ethereum, guys. I think that Ethereum will do fantastic as well. Okay, in my opinion, Ethereum will do very good in the next days in April. I've told you in my channel about this, and I believe in Ethereum and all the other coins that follow the trend. Thank you so much for watching. Have a fantastic day wherever you are, and of course I'm here supporting you with whatever you want on Telegram and on Twitter. Thank you again. See you soon with more videos. Bye, guys.